So we have now checked in to Hotel Santa Fe. Ollie, show everyone around.
Just let's go in here first.
Okay, we're starting in here. We're
It
starting
has
directly.
like them bubble sops right here.
Yeah.
Look at him there. We have a
Whoa.
toilet.
You got a toilet, yep.
Oh, look at here.
Look at that. Is that Lightning McQueen soap? It's just soap with Lightning McQueen packaging. Right, we have a shower curtain that's got the flags on
And
it.
a sink.
And a sink, yep.
It goes,
Yep, that's it. That's how the sinks work.
and that's how the other one goes.
Thanks for that.
Work backwards, then
Right.
this way.
Okay.
Got this.
Shelving area.
Oh, that's the shelf area.
We've got plenty of coat hangers and a safe up there at the top.
Pluto map.
A Pluto map.
There you go. So that's Pluto map. Let's just do it like that. Come on, the
And
big
then,
red channel.
look at this.
Like these friends are back.
So you've got the lightning, well, the cars being bedding, and then these really
Cozy
cool,
cones.
they're cool, crazy cones, aren't they? They're really cool. Fan at the top.
Picture of Mater.
Picture of Mater sleeping. Yeah.
And we've also got
So there's a
fan.
fan in here. Is there
Fan,
heating?
don't forget about the
Also,
fan.
it's slightly
Don't
chilly.
forget
It's
about
slightly
the fan.
cold in here.
I think
Don't
that's a
forget about
radiator.
that room.
Oh yeah, so there you go.
Don't
The
forget
heater's
about
there.
the fan.
Yeah, I've told you everyone the fan. There's the fan.
Now the
And then we've got a crazy cone lampshade.
Cone.
Cozy cone.
Like the Cozy Cone Motel.
Yep. And then the
chair.
TV. And then we have 3 drawers. We all side drawers as well.
Ooh.
So this looks like another 2 plugs down there.
You see this one here?
So that's a cupboard.
This one.
So there's two plugs in
Oh
there.
my,
You've got
that
the drawers.
was
There's a
massive.
plug underneath the telly.
Massive drawers.
Massive drawers.
Here's the second
Um,
one.
Did you say there's a Cozy Cone lamp?
Yeah.
What about the mirror? Cozy Cone mirror.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, the mirror is also cozy cone. Random light switch midway through the wall.
Is that not a
Another.
plug switch?
I meant that plug switch.
Plug
Plug switch up here.
There's one here too.
Plug switch down there.
There's one
I
there.
mentioned that one.
But there was 3 in here as well. There's like an extension lead with 3 outlets in.
What about the side down there? Anything
No.
at the bottom?
No.
No?
No, no,
And
no.
do you want to see what
That's
right
it.
here? That's in this little drawer.
There's a little drawer as well. Whoa.
Has it got a Bible in it? Well, it's got a random stone in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Why not? Nice and straightforward.
Yeah, dead simple.
Yeah. Happy with the 2 double beds.
Yes.
Ollie, how comfy's the bed?
What?
How comfy's the bed?
It's just super comfy
Go on,
like
Ange.
this.
Go on, Ange.
What? You're the hat?
It's oh, it's rather hard bed.
It's a hard bed. And that is the room tour of the Santa Fe room for 2021.
Yeah, nice and basic, but perfect for what we need.
So to complement this room tour, we also have another 2 room tours from other hotels here at Disneyland Paris. So we have the Davy Crocketts Ranch, and we also have Hotel New York Art of Marvel, and both of them are in that playlist, which is right there. So go and have a quick look at them and see the difference. Catch you later.